Me pacho boame.
Good.
Please help me.
Please help me. You don't just say boame.
So today I'm meeting up with my good friend, True Vonne, and she's gonna try to teach me the common phrases. So I'm gonna say the English word, she's gonna say the word in Ghana tree, and I will try to pronounce it myself. And let's see how I do. So, check it out. All right.
So the next set of phrases are classified under the common phrases.
So the first one we're gonna do is I don't know.
And that would be minim.
Minim.
Minim. I don't know.
Minim. All right, so the next phrase is I understand.
And I understand is mete asia.
Mete asia.
Mete asia.
Mete asia. So the next one is I don't understand.
I don't understand. Mente asia.
Mente asia.
Mente.
Mente.
So the first one was mete.
Mete. This was
like
mente.
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 Asia.
Asia.
It's an Akan now asia.
Mente asia. So the next one is help me.
And help me is, I think you know this.
Boame.
Boame.
I've heard it before.
Boame.
Yes.
And please make sure, you see, I said please. Always, always, always add your please, thank you, and all that. So, me pacho
boame.
Good.
Please help me.
Please help me. You don't just say boame. Okay, so Joe, what's the next word?
I'm hungry, which I really am right now.
And that would be ekwam deme.
Ekwam deme.
Ekwam deme.
Ekwam deme.
Okay.
I'm hungry. So now to invite someone to eat with you, or you're invited, what would that phrase be?
Joe. Mensaka. Which is mensaka.
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 Mensaka. Yes,
Yeah,
please. You can't invite me to eat and then not actually offer the food.
Well, it doesn't mean you should actually come and eat. I'm just being polite.
Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Alright, see you on the next video. Hey guys, once again, thank you for watching this video on YouTube. If you're anything like me and you're in the United States and you're looking for authentic African products made by Africans, then I got the website for you. I created this website, Authentic African, specifically for people like you and I who are looking for products made by Africans on the continent of Africa, but it's really hard to find in the US. As you all know, I'm in Africa at the moment, and so that allows me to find these authentic African products in person. But for those of you who are living in the United States for now, in the US only, and you're looking for products made in Africa, then this is the site for you. Head on over to AuthenticAfrican.com. The link is on the page right here, and it's also below in the description. All right, see you there.